Morning everyone. Today we going to study about CNC objectives. What have till now what we have studied. Next CNC system, working principles of CNC systems, advantages of CNC systems over NC machine. These topics today we will see. Okay. So last class we have studied about block diagram of CNC. So it has a tape reader for initial program entry. Next it has a mini computer NC program. Next to that a computer hardware interface servo system. Again it is connect to the machine tool. So these are the four types which for block diagrams. So what tape readers do, we have studied in last class, mini computer, all these each connections, what it will do, each and everything we have studied in last class. So now we'll give, this is a CNC lathe machine. So here we'll this is the screens where we load the program. From there it going to machine. So here the machine will run. It is having tool chain, spindle, tools, all those things it is having. See, this is spindle on off all that. So this is CNC lathe machine. Next objectives of, so what we are going to study, objectives of CNC. Till now what we have studied on. So working principles of CNC system, the sequential working of each of functions, advantages of CNC. Today all this we'll see. Okay. Next, what is CNC system? So it is the system in which a microcomputer act as the control units. So we have seen last class about CNC system also. So micro system, it acts as a microcomputer to control the machine tool. Next, modify the program. We can modify the program directly from the system only. Prepare part programming of different parts stored in the program. So preparing part program and storing in that only. Okay, this is the working of CNC system. Due to invention of the small computer having large memory, CNC system became popular. So this CNC system has become very popular because of with low cost we can run the machine with modifying the program also in that only, and with fine finishing of the components. Low cost programmable control plays major role of implementation CNC manufacturing. So mainly upon low cost. This is one type of CNC machine here. This is another type of CNC machine. Now we're going to study about working principle of CNC. So what is the working principle of CNC? So almost we have studied working principle of CNC also. So today we going to study in deep. So first one, the appearance. The appearance of the CNC machine is very similar to the conventional NC system. So it is similar to the CNC NC systems. Okay, we have studied NC system, DNC system and CNC system. Three types we have studied. So it is similar to the NC system. Next one, with CNC, the program is entered once and then stored in the computer memory. So if the program is entered into the CNC program, stored in the computer memory, it is stored in the computer memory. In this way, the tape reader is used only for original loading. So only original loading we use the tape reader in CNC system. Okay, the part programming and the data storage. So the CNC program is entered once in the stored in the computer memory, and tape reader is used only for original loading. Afterwards we won't use this tape reader. Okay, next one, the CNC offers flexible and computational capability. So it is CNC machine is flexible. Okay, computational flexible, and we can change the program whenever we need it. Next, the appearance of the computer is connected to an interface and servo system. So computer is connected to the servo system. This involves the conversion of the part program into machine tool. So the servo system, the computer is connected to the servo system. From there we load the part programming and it converts this part program into machine tool motion so that the machine can perform useful work. Okay, in this way the computer sends the message to the machine. Next, the CNC machine have the facilities for manual override of the feed rate. So we can change the feed rate also. What is that? CNC machine have the flexibility of change for the manual override of the feed rate. So feed rate also we can change in this. Next, the movement that would results after each block can be checked by a graphic simulation. So after finishing yes component, we can also check by graphic simulation whether whether the component has whatever the design we have given that is came properly or not. Next, the CNC machine has a moving column configuration, automation, tool change. So, what the CNC machine has moving column configuration. So, it moves right to left, left to right, and automatic tool change. So, it has the changing of tool also. It in tool ATC, that is ATC, automatic tool change, will having 8 tools or 12 tools. So, according to the program what we write, it changes the tool also. Okay, if T4 means T4 will come, T3 means T3 will come and cut the job. So that facility is also it has in this. Next, tool stored in a chain type magazine to work table. So chain magazine 2 means it has a chain type magazine so that we can keep all the work equipments in that. So the tool is stored in a chain type magazine to work table. Next, in CNC, it is possible to edit any part of the program at the control units. So we can edit the program also if possible wherever adjustment we need, or we can edit the program at the in this CNC control unit. Next, the information of each operation is feed from the control unit to the motor. Okay, the information for each operation is feed from the control unit to the motor. So from control unit to the motor, the information will be passing. Okay, in this way the working of CNC works. Next, what are they for future use? A new punch tape can be produced at the machine. Okay, so this is one type of CNC machining center. See here, this screen is having, that is a screen, and from there here we tool, from here this is only inbuilt. All whole thing is covered, we can't see inside parts. Okay, covered so that the chips won't fall on us. Working principle of CNC till what we have studied all this. Okay, to work table, tool stored in the chain type magazine. Okay, punch tapes, all these are. This is one more type of, this is spindle tool, how to change it with it, spindle speed, all those things. See here, CNC machine requires minimum operation intervention. Next, the setter can input a new part programming while machining is being carried out. Setter means if any tool breaks or the setter, we can change it also while stopping the machine. The override is useful to move the tool maximum feed rate or dryer. The movement that should be result after the block can be checked graphically. So after each block, we can check the job work graphically simulation also. Okay, now we see advantages of CNC over NC machine. What are the different types of advantages? So advantages also we have studied, but over NC machine now we see what are the advantages of CNC over NC machine. So the part programming and tape reader are used only once to enter into the computer memory. The result is improved reliability. So we are using this tape reader only once to enter into the computer memory. Next, CNC program can be written, stored, edit. So CNC program we can store it, edit it, and extrude directly to the CNC machine. Many different CNC programs can be stored in MCU. So many different programs can also be stored in MCU. MCU means machine control unit. Conversion of unit is possible within the computer memory. Any conversion we want, we can convert that into within the means computer memory. Before going to the machine, we should change in the computer memory only. Conversion means like to meters, meter to centimeter, like that. Any conversion or any data, greater flexibility. So this CNC is more flexible. Next, CNC machine can be integrated with the DNC system. So it is linked, we can link this with DNC. High accuracy and reliability. It gives us very accurate measurements. Next, reduce the indirect and operation cost. So in the operation cost is also a very less. Okay. Next, what we have, complex shapes. Complex shapes also we can make it with, it is no problem. Reduce the data reading errors. So any errors also we can manipulate or we can rectify them. So these are some advantages. Metric conversions, converting into units into metric units. CNC can convert step preparation unit as in inches. So these are all conversion in this international system unit. Next, greater flexibility CNC. It provides an opportunity to introduce a new control operation with reliable, early, low cost. Next, user written program. It is a friendly program. Macro sustainability stored in CNC makes the program more advanced. So with this, the whatever program we write, it is very easy to change the program. If we wanted any change, we can make. So these are the some advantages over NC system. Okay. So this is spindle moving, how the tools are fixing. Here it is showing how to fix the tool and remove the tool. So, today class what we have seen, advantages of CNC, working principle of CNC. So how the tool change, how the spindle we can change with this diagrams, working principle of CNC. Next, different types of CNC machines. Next, components of CNC systems, different types of CNC system, how it works. Next, CNC